Ever considered the power of reshaping not just your appearance, but your entire sense of self? Let's talk about the transformative journey of a male-to-female hairline hair transplant. Our commitment to professionalism and expertise ensures that your journey is not merely physical, but deeply personal. A personalized plan crafted in collaboration with our experienced doctors, considering your unique facial features, hair characteristics, and your vision for a new, authentic hairline. Our doctors meticulously select donor areas, often from the back or sides of the head, where hair follicles are genetically resistant to hormonal changes. These chosen follicles carry the essence of durability and resilience, ensuring not only their individual quality, but also their compatibility with the desired feminine aesthetic. The angle, depth, and density are all meticulously considered, ensuring that the result is not just hair, but a reflection of your authentic self. Our commitment to achieving a natural appearance is woven into every step. We understand the importance of not just changing hairline, but crafting an expression of individuality that feels like an integral part of you. At Terra Medical Clinic, we recognize that this transformative journey goes beyond the technical aspects. It's about artistry, personalization, and crafting a result that resonates with your inner self.